morning, SkyHawks. I'm Miss Castanon. Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America
and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God,
indivisible, with liberty and
justice for all.
Please be seated.
Good morning, SkyHawks. Today is January 17th, 2020. I'm Devin Sang.
And I'm Madeline Perez.
And you're watching SkyHawk News.
Shawty made it, don't need no clothes. High fashion, like Goya, G-Wagon.
Welcome back, SkyHawks. The counseling department is excited for second semester. We are gearing up for registrations for the next school year and still assisting with FAFSA. The nest is complete and we will offer various activities on Wednesdays. Please see your counselor if you need assistance. We are here for you. Attention spring and fall athletes. Get your sports physicals done on campus in as little as 5 minutes. Meet in the Summit Gym Hall of Fame on January 22nd at 1 p.m. Bring $20 cash.
Boys tennis. If you are interested in trying out for boys tennis, there will be a meeting today after school in D206. Yearbook. Next week, January 20th to 24th, Yearbook is having Fashion Week during both lunches. Come dressed and impressed for a chance to be featured in this year's Fashion Week spread. Hiring lifeguards. San Bernardino County is hiring lifeguards.
How do you think people did on getting school this week?
I don't know. Let's check it out.
I feel like I'm recording a music video. What's the answers?
Hi guys, welcome back from, was it Christmas break? Yeah, it was Christmas break. I'm Rue, I'm your host for Getting Schooled, and today we have
Jalen, Ryan,
George Rios, Frank Perez,
KT,
Zoe,
Alexis,
Juan,
Mia.
Is there really one? Okay, so we're gonna ask some random questions I found on the internet. So, first question is gonna be, what has a face, 2 hands, but no arms or legs?
A jacket.
A jacket? No. First of all, no.
I got nothing.
There we go. I was gonna let him
Cloth.
first.
I'm sorry. I still don't. Whatever. I still wouldn't have gotten it.
Okay.
Oh, it's a clock.
Yeah, like a lot.
Okay, it has no face. It has no face and no what?
No, wait. What are you doing? Second question is gonna be, what can you throw? But wait, what can you catch but can't throw?
A case. My hands. A cold.
Oh, there we go. But
There we go.
the first two were.
They were still.
They were valid. They were valid. Yeah.
These hands or something? Like, I don't know.
We could. I think it's technically right. Third and final question. So I'm gonna describe an object. You guys are gonna have to tell me what you think it is. What's something that starts out tall, but the longer it stands, the shorter it gets?
A candle.
Okay. It's a candle.
Okay, ask it again.
Okay. So I'm gonna describe something to you.
Alright.
And so you just have to guess what it is virtually, okay? So it's tall, but the longer it keeps standing, it gets shorter. Do you know what it is?
Is standing doing nothing, or is it
Yeah.
doing something?
It's doing nothing.
A candle.
She got it right, guys. Oh my gosh.
Let's hand it over to Hannah in sports.
Good morning, SkyHawks. I'm Hannah Martinez, here to cheer you up with a little sports. Basketball had quite the start to league over break, with the boys defeating Bohai last Friday, while the ladies demolished Bishop Amat the following day. Girls water polo had a huge win over Eisenhower, 17-3. Girls soccer also had a huge victory over Bohai last Wednesday, 8-0, and switching back over to the boys, they played Kaiser the same day, which ended in a tie. Last but not least, varsity cheer placed 3rd in CIF on Saturday. Now let's check out track and field's way of preparing for the season.
Hi, your name is?
My name is Joshua Hornsby.
And what do you do? I do the 110, the hurdles, and the 300 hurdles.
What are your goals for this season?
My goal this season is to go to state. A couple past years, I've been going to CIA finals and CIA prelims, but this year I'm going to go all the way.
What inspired you to run track?
I've been running track since I was like 5 years old, feel me? So, I mean, running track was just built in me. Plus, my mom did it. My whole family did it, you know what I'm saying? So, I want to say it's like a family thing that we do. So, I mean, yeah, I think it was my family that really inspired me to run track.
What is your goal for the track team?
My goal for the track team is to get everybody better, get everybody faster, you know what I'm saying, make sure everybody get their PR, you know, and a lot of people haven't been coming to their practices and y'all scared and y'all need to come out because y'all slow. But, I mean, you know, the goal is, you know what I'm saying, make sure everybody do their reps, make sure everybody run hard, finish through the line, you know what I'm saying, simple things like that.
What's your favorite track memory?
I have a lot of these. Probably on the bus with the homies, you know, Randy, Gary, Ashton, you know, all the homies on the bus just cracking jokes there and back and at the track meet, you know. There's a lot of memories, but that's the main thing that I could like think of right now.
Cheer competes tomorrow, hoping to steal a first place for the state championship. Boys soccer faces Colton at 3:15 today, while girls soccer also takes on Colton this afternoon at 5. And last thing for you guys, come out tonight to support basketball, playing versus Colton at 6. Well, that's all I have for you this week, SkyHawks. I'm Hannah Martinez, and this has been sports. I'll catch you guys on the mat. Have a great 3-day weekend.
Well, that's all we have for this week, Skyhawks. I'm Devin Sang.
And I'm Madeline Perez.
And this has been SkyHawk News.
As we soar through the ages, as we take to the skies, we spread our wings of blue and silver as we fly with SkyHawk pride. Loyal in our hearts, body, spirit, mind. We come, we learn, we lead the way, forever summit high.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Chuck Loans, and this is my cooking show. Today, we're making ratatouille, based on the movie Ratatouille, from Disney's Pictures, the Monopoly, studio that brought you such classics like Planet 51 and Shrek. The ingredients for the following dish should appear on the screen right now. Right now.
Why aren't you saying anything?
What, can't you just edit it in?
No, I'm just the cameraman, you're the host.
What, you expect me to know what a whatever that thing is called? You know I'm not a chef, right? You're not filming this, right? Now that we've gone through the ingredients, let's start cooking. So let's start off with this exquisite sauce that I personally found in the catacombs from France. I present to you ranch.
Aren't we making ratatouille?
Is this your cooking show? Is this your cooking show? Because last time I checked, it said cooking with Chuck Loans. Look, I'm not gonna be able to keep doing this cooking show if I have this cameraman nagging and following me all over the place.
Look, I mean, there's nothing we can do about it now. I mean, you signed a contract.
A contract? Does it look like I care about a flipping contract? He's filming me right now. Close the door. We're back. Now that we've waited about 5 minutes, the barbecue hot smoking ribs should be ready.
I thought we were making ratatouille.
Yeah. You know what? Burn a flipping rat for all I care. I'm done. I don't care. I don't care.